But changing temperatures. Mark Prater with us now. Hey, Mark.
Yeah, we're getting quite chilly now. It's starting to feel like February, as it should. After temperatures got up close to 80 degrees earlier this week, this is quite a turnaround, and it is quite chilly out tonight. Here's a look at the storm track hour by hour, and you will need the jacket if you're headed out the door this evening and into tonight. And as our sun sets, look at that. It is absolutely a gorgeous shot on our storm track tower camera this evening. And the colors look just fantastic. 46 degrees right now. Winds out of the west-northwest at 18. Now that's pretty stiff as far as the wind goes. Dew point at 23. So the atmosphere and the air is dry. So that's why it feels like 39 degrees when you factor in the wind chill. The rest of the area, look at this, 42 now for Coleman, 46 in Hamilton, 47 in Jasper and Tuscaloosa. Pell City along with Talladega at 47 degrees. And we've got mid to upper 40s through East Alabama. But the wind chill is a factor in a number of these locations. Feels like 35 in Coleman, 38 now for Gadsden. And you get the idea. The later we get tonight, especially once the sun sets, a lot of that warmth and that energy escapes up into the higher levels of the atmosphere. Temperatures drop, and that breeze will have an impact. No rain across Alabama now. All of the showers on our storm track radar continue to move off the east coast. And the clouds which we had earlier today really didn't amount to a whole lot. I saw a couple of fair weather cumulus passing earlier today when I had a chance to go speak at the March of Dimes event over there at Highlands, and it was great weather. We have had a beautiful afternoon, but that colder air continues to funnel in with those northwesterly winds, and that means it's blowing that cold air from up into the central plains down into the southeast. Our storm track temperature trend, this is a look at our color contours, and there's the freezing line across South Alabama, or at least down into South Alabama. Tomorrow we warm up some, but not a whole lot. This chilly air is going to stay in place, but it's actually this chunk of much colder air that's in waiting that will eventually swing into the southeast. And it will be a big game changer. Temperatures back into the low and mid 30s for highs. That's high temperatures with some sunshine. But for the time being, we're looking at dry conditions right through Friday into Saturday as well as Sunday. There will be a little bit of moisture that starts to increase once we get into the latter part of Saturday. And that's just mainly high cloud cover passing that you see here. But the low level moisture is going to start to inch up later on Sunday. So tonight, 27, clear and cold. And once that wind calms down, that will certainly take the edge off of the wind chill. Here's your storm track 7-day temperatures into the low 50s tomorrow. And then look at next week. Chance of rain by Monday evening into Monday night. That rain could be a little bit of light snow into early Tuesday, 30% coverage, so not everybody gets it. It's not going to be enough to accumulate at this point, but we'll watch it. Look at the lows next week, 19, and that may be too warm, so we'll keep an eye on it, Sherry.